I'm back in Austin and nothing's changed. So it is International Women's Day, and I just got to Austin, Texas. You want to know how I know I'm in Austin, Texas? This is what the magazines look like in Austin, Texas. There's tacos. There's cowboy hats. This is what I grew up with my entire life, and I kind of love it. So I'm here in Austin for a few reasons. Basically, Create, Cultivate are having a dinner for International Women's Day, and I'm one of the people they asked to come honor, which is really cool and fun. And then tomorrow morning, I'm speaking at a breakfast at a McCombs alumni breakfast. That's my alma mater, Hook 'em Horns. It is also my sister's bachelorette party weekend. It's really, really, really hard for me to be in the moment and enjoy my sister's bachelorette because I have so much on my mind with everything else with work, and I just feel like I haven't been a good sister with her wedding stuff, so I told myself I'm going to be present and try to enjoy the moment. It is weird though, every time I get back here and I go through the airport, I get these like weird chills. Like it just like reminds me, I don't know, like it's college a little bit. It reminds me of my family, a little bit of annoying ex-boyfriends, a lot of emotions every time I get back to Texas. This trip's going to be different. It's a little work, a little fun, a little family time and friends time, so I'm excited. Taking my acid reflux medicine. My throat is still completely effed. I have these like nasal drops that I take now every day. I actually have this like inhaler thing I put over my nose and mouth too to help me breathe better, but I didn't travel with it. See you in a bit. Giddy up. I love how I always say giddy up as if that's like a thing people say here. I need to end these Texas stereotypes, but I do say y'all. A lot of y'all. Event 1 tonight is for International Women's Day. Only felt appropriate to wear a Dreamers shirt. This is Boohoo, Express Yellow, Blazer, Alice and Olivia skirt, and the same white boots I always wear. And really insanely large gold hoops. I didn't realize how big they were. Okay, I'm running late. I was supposed to start it at 6 and at 6:05. Goodbye. You guys, these are like branding goals. Striker Sisters. Check them out.
Wait, is this recording?
Yeah! I have to show you guys around. This is cool. Ashley, you made it!
But it really is all about creating and cultivating the career of your dreams, and all of you are really doing that and inspirations and role models for that. You guys will see these little cards, and Lou's amazing. It's essentially Venmo for charitable causes.
How do you feel? I'm really full. This restaurant is so good. How are you feeling? Feeling succulent.
I am feeling succulent.
Okay, it is Friday morning. I haven't slept much because this damn hotel made me feel like I was back in college. All these kids running around when this old lady just wants to go to bed. It's about 7:30 now and I'm off to a McCombs breakfast. There really is just nothing cooler than your alma mater kind of wanting you to come and speak. So same blazer, same shoes, but different graphic tee. You guys, that's the Texas Capitol. I like ran by it like once in a blue moon. This is my friend Jay, say hi. We went to college together. He made me work out also every once in a while. That's my old dorm freshman year, Dobie. Is it pathetic that I remember this TCBY? Okay, this is the drag, you guys. This is where I got my stupid tattoo. I still hate you, Tara Rao. She was supposed to get one with me, and then she didn't. Oh my God, Taco Bell looks like upgraded. This is crazy. Target inside of Dobie, that's so smart. This is a library that I never studied at. Just kidding, I did. And that's JCL. It has the biggest Wendy's in the world. Why am I just like everything by the food aspect? This is the McCombs Business School, basically where I lived the majority of my life. They had this bus called the E-Bus. It went around West Campus where like a lot of the people live, and then it like took you to 6th Street to go out and it's home safe. Don't drink and drive, kids, bad idea. This is like where people like ate and like did things. I'm not explaining this well, but this is like more iconic to UT than I'm making it sound. Oh, this has really good Thai food. So I got the taco, but apparently I messed up and the way to go is the sandwich. This place is so cute though. It's very Texas. Look how a fish. Oh, mine doesn't have a ear. I'm so sad. Done and done. That was really fun and cool. How'd I do, Jay?
Killed it.
Good answer. And then just did an interview with Yahoo and hopefully New York Times. I'm very excited. It's more about beauty tutorials, but every time I like mention tinted, everyone gets really excited, which makes me excited because everyone recognizes like the need for it to effing exist. But now we are going to go work out. Wait, remember when we were at 24 and I was on the treadmill and I literally was about to throw up? This guy on the other side of us was like, hey man, like don't you think she should just be like slowing down a little? She doesn't look so good. He was like, she's fine. I wasn't fine, I threw up in the trash can. I actually cannot feel my legs right now. I told him I needed a break. So we're at this cute place in East Austin called Laundrette, and apparently it used to be a laundromat. How cool is that? feel good that we worked out, but we're gonna work out again. And I just got all this stuff from Under Armour, and it just makes me want to work out. Like, my outfit is so cute. Is anyone else like that, or just me? You. Cheers to a workout. And now we got our laptops out. This is a productive, I love Austin. Cheers to that. Everybody see this on my face? I sweated because I worked out twice. 2 miles later, Jay. He chokes every time I turn this on. He's not like this normally. He was doing cartwheels while we were jogging. And nobody tell me to date him. That's not happening. It's not like that he's my big brother. See, this is what you do. What the heck is wrong with you? He was like dancing. Y'all will catch him at some point. Officially work-related stuff is like done so. Came close to going to an Under Armour event tonight though, but my cousin put me in check real quick, and it's true. It's my sister's weekend and I'm very excited for it. Excited for Monica's Bachelorette! I wish I could scream like that. I'm not allowed to. Who's gonna make me do their makeup?
Me.
No one.
No.
I kind of felt like I had to make an exception for you.
Why? You think I can't do it? Oh.
Don't make me answer
I'll do
that.
your makeup.
Just kidding. Yeah, maybe you should do my makeup again. Day one, Monty, how you feeling?
Good! Happy you're here!
Are you feeding me?
This isn't cake.
She's eating. That's her favorite thing to do in life. You saw me smile. You look so beautiful. Sarisha can smile. Everybody smile. Yay! Anisha. Guys, we're at a really cute speakeasy. It's really awesome. And I can't drink because hashtag throat problems. But Somia's gonna drink for me. It's day 2 of my sister's bachelorette party. Everyone's already left to go to food trucks. I basically spent the entire morning doing emails. Kind of sucks because I just like told myself that I would be present in the moment, but part of the entrepreneurial thing, you know, there's no days off, and if there's emails and there's like people waiting, you gotta do them. But luckily she's being like super sweet, and she's like, Deeps, you have to handle what you have to handle. So you're not gonna get your goals just handed to you. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices, and you know, most of the girls here are doctors, so they're kind of like, just have fun, relax, chill, you're the boss. And it's like, that's actually exactly why I can't have fun. Now I'm gonna quickly get ready and go meet up everyone else at the food trucks, because that's part of the best parts of Austin, Texas. You guys, I'm wearing Bride Squad. We're going to escape room. How does it work? I've never done an escape room.
They lock you into a room, and then you have to solve clues to figure out how to unlock it.
Somia, what level are we doing?
Ours is like 5th grade level, which is definitely gonna be a challenge.
She's starting. Ready.
Ready to Eddie and break. All right, clock is ticking, guys.
So we have to look for clues somewhere.
Oh God. Should I participate or just keep doing this? What do we look?
Take your seat for roll call.
Roll call.
Take your seat for roll call.
Okay. It took us 15 minutes to do attendance. I'm gonna actually pay attention now. I don't think we're gonna win this otherwise. Almost escaped. Way to rub it in, escape room. You guys, we did a 5th graders challenge and we lost.
As expected.
There's so many people on the streets. Austin is so crowded right now, but it is so fun and so cute. Everyone is doing the thing. This is like the most hashtag branded weekend I've ever seen in Austin, Texas. I literally have no clue who that is, but people seem to be excited.
Welcome to Enderleys. We're super excited to have you. My name is Brenda. I'm going to be your cheesy host today for your bachelorette. Our first few cheeses are going to go best with white.
This is torture.
Yeah.
Truffle. Look at this, looks like it's molding. It's truffle.
Like we were thinking maybe come from up or something, just something different, but we just can't.
Life is so hard. I can't come from the ceiling of my 1,000-person wedding. I'm eloping.
We'll watch a video about it on YouTube.
That's how we find out. That's how I find about her life.
I took a nap and I woke up to people yelling at me to take shots. But I don't have to because I have the voice excuse. Why is there toilet paper and why isn't it used?
We're gonna play the make a wedding dress.
Isn't she lovely? So this Dr. and Mrs. is actually created because the dude is the doctor and the Mrs. is just like the wife. You know what's badass? Both of these titles are my sister. The world is changing, people. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key?
Bounce your butt, pop it up.
What is happening? What is going on? You can't come to Austin without coming to Trudy's.
I made it a point. It's my third time trying to come here, and we're finally here.
We made it happen. Philosophy, you look so pretty. Yay, 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 yay. What? He's back? LOL. That's incredible. Did you have a good weekend?
Great, thank y'all.
We are in the hilly parts of the city, visiting my cousin Divya, who just had her third child, which is like confusing all of us because all of the rest stop at 2. Say hi, Sammy. Hi. The people miss you.
The people.
Can I get a high five? No. Thanks, Ricky. Streaker, can you say hi? Hi. Oh wow, I didn't think that would work. You're so talented. Streaker drew that. That's so dope. Rowan, can I get another high five? Oh, come on, you can't even look at me when you give me it.
It's a little party.
Thank you so much. Look at that smile. Everybody say hi to Kaden.
Hey, Rowan, how long can you stay underwater? Is it 10 or 13? 13. Same, Nikki, same. Not today.
She's not know what.
What are you doing, Sammy?
Making a bad fishtail braid. Yeah?
I think it looks good. So, I am back from Austin. It's really weird because I feel like usually when I go back to Texas, I'm like, this is home. It's so nice to be in Texas. But I really feel like LA feels like home now, which is like a really good feeling. I'm also very grateful that I left not feeling hungover. And I can't say that for any other bachelorette besides my sisters. I feel like it really was like a great bonding time for everyone to just get excited about the wedding, which is literally in 2 weeks, which is mind-blowing to me. I don't know, it was like a really good time to just like hang out with my sister, and so many of my cousins were there. They love making fun of me, but it's like in the best way possible. So literally 2 weeks till the wedding. I don't even know what outfit I'm wearing, and there is so much happening. Just this week, we're filming 3 Cute to Know videos for Tinted. Our first event with like a brand happening this week. Kind of cuckoo. And I told my sister, way to like have a wedding when I'm like doing new company. And she was like, shut up. I deserve that. There really is never a good time for anything, right? You can't like wait for like a period that feels right because it's never going to feel right. You just kind of got to go. Anywho, hope you liked the Austin vlog. Let me know if you want more vlogs down below, and I will see you guys next time.